Hello, my name's Faris and you join me here at Stafford Land Rover. Today I would like to take you on a 360 walk around of this new Land Rover Discovery D350 Dynamic HSE. This vehicle features a 3-litre diesel engine producing up to 350 bhp. Accompanying this is a smooth automatic transmission as well as a 4-wheel drive system. Finished here in the lovely Carpathian Grey metallic paint colour, this example features LED headlights with signature LED daytime driving lights. In the front bumper, we'll find a set of front parking sensors, as well as one of the 3D surround cameras. Moving round to the side and down below, this Discovery sits on a set of 22-inch alloy wheels, coming in a 5-spoke design with some gloss dark grey contrasts. Towards the rear of the vehicle, we'll find privacy glass on the rear windows, as well as the rear tailgate window, and helping you park and manoeuvre there's a rear view camera, as well as a set of rear parking sensors. The Discovery also features an electric tailgate, which can be operated from the key fob. Taking a look into the boot area, there's a large amount of storage space with 2 additional seats in the back. Moving into the rear passenger area, we'll find a total of 3 seats with a folding armrest in the middle. Rear passengers can regulate their climate as well as find some charging points in the centre of the footwell. Up front, the front 2 seats, these feature a heated function, and all the seats are finished in a lovely leather upholstery. In the centre of the dash, we'll find a colour touchscreen multimedia system that includes navigation, Apple CarPlay Android Auto, as well as allowing you to listen to any of your favourite DAB radio stations. Beneath the touchscreen, we'll find some of the climate controls. As previously mentioned, the 2 front seats are heated and cooled, and in the centre there's a comfortable leather armrest. Exclusively for the driver, we'll find a 3-spoke multifunction leather-wrapped steering wheel that has a heated function, and this is paired with a fully digital Land Rover cockpit display. That will conclude this 360 walk around of this new Land Rover Discovery D350 Dynamic HSE. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.